And in my twisted face, there's not the slightest trace of anything that even hints at kindness. And from my tortured shape, no comfort, no escape. I see deep within is utter blindness, hopeless as my dream dies, as the time flies. Love a lost illusion, helpless, unforgiven, cold and driven to this sad conclusion. No beauty could move me, no goodness improve me, no power on earth if I can't love her. No passion could reach me, no lesson could teach me how I could have loved her and make her love me too, if I can't love her. Then who? Long ago I should have seen all the things I could have been. Careless and unthinking I moved onward. Life could be cheaper, no point anymore if I can't love her. No spirit could win me, no hope left within me. How I could have loved her and that she'd set me free. But it's not to be if I can't love her. Laugh away.